Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm just going to talk about my intraday Google Sheet. There is a new one which we have added on our Google Sheet that is going to be follow for an intraday traders. And it is working based on the concept which we are using for our advanced option strategy. And it's a different concept for an intraday which we used. And already the tutorial video how to use this and how it is working to make a stop loss. And that will be updated on our post group. Those who are already accessing that how to use our Google Sheet. There I have updated that post and you'll be getting a notification and you can go through that around the 20 minutes tutorial video. You just go through and check that whether it is how to use it. Okay. And then you can understand where to keep a stop loss, where to keep a target, and that's you can understand and how the system is working. That is also you can understood from that concept. So this is what intraday trade. Yesterday also we are discussing about the same and the new concept which you are used. And this video we are going to update for the next week also. Okay, sorry, tomorrow also. We previously used weekly, monthly, and now we have added an intraday. So yesterday in our live session we find some opportunities, Bajaj Auto and some other stocks and many put side we got it because of overall market on yesterday is about negative side. So this is an intraday trade, so you can plan for a trade opportunities which side the overall market is there. If Nifty is positive, so you can just focus for a call side. If Nifty is negative, you can say focus for a put side like that. And it's a purely intraday, and you don't carry for positional one. So it is an intraday opportunity. So a lot of request. That's why we finally made it on our same Google Sheet. There is no extra charges for this. Those who are already using our Google Sheet, they can use up to their expiry. And if you want to access this Google Sheet monthly, weekly, and intraday, the charges for this is around 1,200. If you wish, you can access the sheet from your side after subscribing that. So a lot of stuff which you are planning based on our sheet that was giving you such a good opportunities. And in stock option, mainly we are working on it. So yesterday thing which is happening. So this particularly why I'm making this video, it's a everyday changeover. Okay. So the sheet will be automatically updated for a daily basis and daily strike prices. Okay. So if you are holding for any stocks based on this and never you will be not finding the same strike price tomorrow. So it's a purely for an intraday. Okay. So that you need to remember that. So once you find out an intraday trade opportunity, you should exit out with the intraday itself. Okay. That is the main concept and reason you have to focus for intraday basis. So I'm going to change over the sheet. These are all the opportunity, but even we find one or two trade opportunities yesterday that was working well. Okay. So here I'm going to change for a next day. So let me check this in a real time. So we can try to find out the changeover. Okay. So weekly still remains same for 1 week and monthly still remains same for 1 month and intraday should be updated on daily basis. So you should focus and based on the data which we are using for our positional trade, so that will be working. Okay. So then I'm going to change over this data and let me go to check whether it is working. Just waiting for the update. So it will be automatically turn around. So the changeover. Once the changes is happen, so you will be getting the exact detail on this. Just a moment. So it should be automatically updated for the next strike price and the data which is we are taken for a previous day that would be not available. So let me wait whether it is going to be updated or not. So it is working based on the strike prices. Now it is working. So we are updating the sheet for tomorrow. That is what 20th of this month. Look at this. And now Atul, Chamber Fertilizer, Indo Copper, IEX, India Cement, BHEL are not liquid. And in the right side, Alchem, Zeal, Coromandel about India, India Cements are not liquid. Okay. So the stocks not liquid. Why? I tell you why. So 245 call option, India Cements 245 call option. Look at this. Doesn't trade it. So from 14th September, it was not an active. And 18th September, it doesn't active, but only the closing hours, maybe one or two trades, which is happening. That's the reason. So if any stock which triggers before our entry point, before the market opens, that is not a liquid. Simply ignore the stock and let me go for IEX 133. I will show you IEX 133. So we can't remove this kind of stocks. You can see it is a liquid. Simply ignore it. So these are all the stocks: Atul Chamber, Copper, IEX, India Cement are not a liquid one. Okay. And on the right side, put side is Alkem, Zeal, Coromandel, Zeal 267.5. 267.5. So put option. It doesn't liquid. You can see there is a no trade on 18th September. So if any stock doesn't trade it, that will be showing exactly meeting our point. That is a breakout point. So that's the reason. If any stocks we can finding out from our sheet, it is showing you the 100% before the entry. It is not a liquid. Simply ignore. So in intraday, we are not going to focus 20, 30, 40 stocks. Just 2 to 3 quality and good stocks to find out. That is our main aim to get a intraday opportunity with our Google Sheet. I hope you understood what is a concept which I'm using for this. And those who are my students and those who attend my classes, they know well. And if you want to access this Google Sheet, I already told you once 1,200 is a monthly. Maybe for more people, the price will be less. But as of now, so a lot of data and other works which we are paying for that. Okay, so these are all the stocks. The sheet is now updated. It is about a weekly sheet. It doesn't change any. Okay, as of yesterday, what we are seeing, the same will be there. And monthly sheet also not going to be updated. It is about same for till the month end. And intraday, it's updated right now. So you can see Copper, IEX, India Cements. These are all the stocks, not liquid. So we have to focus on a liquid stocks and tomorrow. So IDFC, it's about a 93 call option first band, and this is the point of 2.38, and maybe input side also. So we need to check because yesterday I took IDFC first bar, but still I'm holding. But if it is trigger the call, we can focus for a call side. Which a lot size is high. So you need to focus a small lot size initially, or you can proper work or you can practice it. And once you get a clear idea, then you can use it. Manapuram 142.5, that is also not liquid. Put side. You can see there is no data. That means the stock is not active. So simply if a stock which is triggered over 90%, so a lot of stock which is nearing to the 90, 90, 90. So maybe, so we are finding the entry very earlier comparing to our previous one. And our weekly, monthly entry is slightly higher, but if we are focusing for an intraday, that should be very lower. So that is the reason. So many stock was triggered by the opening. So we simply ignoring the stock which triggers our breakout point before 9:30. So we need to find the stock after 9:30. A lot of stocks we can find out yesterday. That wasn't great too. So now I'm updated that how to use it and content, everything will be on our course list. And if you want to access the course, the website link will be in the description. You just go for that. Then you can find out the courses, and where you can easily find out the courses is about trade with AS. The link will be there, and you can go to the courses and you can see the Google Sheet, how to use the Google Sheet. It's 97. So previously what I'm just charging, the same charging, there is no extra charges for intraday other things. Even if more people, the price would be less. And this is what my advanced option strategy, positional trading system that I followed. Okay. And there, so you'll be getting the content will be added. So where it is syllabus. Yeah, you can just go through here how to use a intraday Google Sheet. This is the new content which I have added. It's around 20 minutes. So those who are already having that thing, so you can watch it and no need to pay extra. But if anyone who want to access all the things, you need to pay 99 rupees with the taxes. Okay. Then you can access the content, and then if you wish, you can buy the Google Sheet from us. Okay, that's about our thing. So we are updated for. So let me try. And if you want to join my live session tomorrow, it's a free live session. Someone were asking if it's paid. It's not about paid. The free session. It's mainly for my doubt clearing and questions and doubts for my student. Meanwhile, we are finding some live opportunities on the live session if you find. So if you wish, you can also join. Thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and we'll update you some more things on this video. Even more details. So one day by day you will be getting updated. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are still not subscribing the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you.